Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princy, Princess P, Princy in our real life, you don't know. And today I am going to bring you another wig review. Yes, this is another wig from the Rebecca store, and this wig is so nice. I'm going to show you the ins and the outs and the transformation of this wig, y'all. And before we get into all of that, we gotta big up all the real ones, baby. Big up my real ones. Real recognize real. You don't know. You don't know, say, are we there in the trenches together? Are we all grow together? Are we all roll together? Big up all my real ones. And if it is the very first time that you are hearing my voice and seeing my face, I want you to stay with me, baby. Stay with me. Stay with me. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share, all of that good stuff. All right, let's get into this review. So I always like to show you guys the wigs on the mannequin head because she came exactly like this with this sweep and all, okay? I like to show it because if we went into the store and we saw a wig, you know, your eyes attracted to a wig, and it looks a little bit different on the Aliexpress website, I'm not gonna lie. So I always want to see in real life, how does this wig look? This is it. This is how it looks. It came with this little swoop whoop on the side, and it came with this real pronounced curl. This is the closure here. So these knots, they're hella big. They're so big, they're so dark. Something needs to be done with them. This is the hairline. I like how at the bottom tracks they use the number 30 throughout the whole track, but everything else is ombre. They realized that, I mean, if they ombre these ones at the back, there wouldn't be much colors at the tips. So I actually really like that. And then you can see it's black and ombre throughout the rest of the wig. The construction, as you get to the top, it got really tight in the way how they sewed the tracks. So it is much tighter at the top. That's the change of lace here. And it is looser at the back, but the density is actually really, really good. This right here is the hairline. The hairline and the part. These knots are big, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna definitely have to tweeze them. So I wanna show you guys this. Those knots are huge. Okay, we gotta do something with that. This is soft lace. This is the soft lace. It's the color. All right, guys, so with this wig, what I'm doing now, I'm just putting it on as it is, as it comes. Say you don't have any experience with tweezing, you don't want to customize it, you just want to put it on and go. This is how it would look. It still has an amazing cut and a really good curl. You can wear it like this. It doesn't look bad, but to give you the most natural look possible, you're going to want to customize it. What I'm going to show you here is tweezing this part. So the knots are really big, they're dark. Knots can be bleached so that they're lighter and they look more like scalp, or you can tweeze them and it looks like a real part. And that's what I'm going to do here. So if you can see, it's like a lot of knots there. I'm just going to use my tweezers and I'm going to pull out at the root of the hair the knot. And that's the little ball. Just pull it out. I'll show you the difference as I go along. There is another method of doing it, which is grouping a couple strands of hair and pulling it. But as you can see, if it gives you a fight, don't do it, because you could tear your lace, and now that is harder to repair. So just please do, me beg, take the time and pull out the little balls them. You can see the difference that it's making already, giving you that clean part. And when I put it on, it looks like scalpy. So just take the time to do it. It will last you such a long time. It is worth it. There is a very thin hairline of lace that goes along the side. It's not a full 13x6 closure, but it will work if you want baby hairs. If you do want the baby hairs, there is a little line of hair that you can turn into baby hairs. Now, I don't do well with putting this cap on my head and cutting the lace, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off my head and then just put it on. I'm not doing baby hairs or all that other stuff, so it's just gonna lay flat. To keep in the theme of this natural scalp look, I am adding some makeup to the inside of my part so it will look more blended into my skin, blended and melted, as the professionals say. You know me, it's a DYTY for me. So blended and melted so it looks like my actual scalp. As you know, this is 100% human hair, and I'm here to prove it. I'm gonna curl this with my flat iron at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, that is, and it does not burn. It just rolls. It goes. It is human hair, guys. This is really good quality hair. And to continue, I'm gonna turn it down. It doesn't need to be that hard to do a style. You guys got to tell me how you think this curly style looks. Do you prefer it curly or do you prefer it straight? I love it both ways, and I have a really indecisive personality, so I'm happy that this is versatile and it can go both ways. Now this hair is available in a couple different colors, but one length. So this bob cut, this amazing Slade bob cut that you don't need to do anything to because it's the bomb, is the only length, but there are a couple other colors. Go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description box below. And yeah. This wig is from the Rebecca store on Aliexpress. I hope you enjoyed all the different styles, transformation. We went from straight to curly, okay? We took it up a notch. It's really good quality hair. The cut is actually really, really nice. You don't need to do anything to this cut whatsoever. You do your minor customizations to fit your head and to fit your style. And you know what? It's a go. It's a really nice wig and good quality hair. Quality. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in to another hair review from your girl, the real Princy. If this is the very first time that you are seeing my face and hearing my voice, I'm inviting you to stay with me. Stay with me. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it, do it. And you done know some for big up all of my real ones. Big up my real ones. Yeah, real recognize real. Thank you for staying here. Thank you for being here. You done know. It's your girl, the real Princy. Bye.